To remove the door panel, first you need to remove 5 9/32 screws and 1 Phillips head screw. The Phillips head screw is right here under this hatch. You got 2 9/32 under this hatch, 9/32 under this hatch, and 2 9/32 on the bottom of the door panel. When you remove this Phillips head, this whole little plastic piece is going to come out with it. Just set that off to the side. You're just going to start on this side. Pull up a bit. Get your fingers in there. Start pulling that off. Work the handle out. The only clip you'll need to undo with a interior trim tool is up in here. And work the panel off the rest of the way. Then undo these plugs. Then the panel comes off. Put the panel back on. Put in your plugs first. For your reference, this panel has all these hooks that hold it on. You put these bottom ones in first. So to reattach the door panel, the 2 lower hooks and get the handle in. You have to lift it off of this hook and then put this hook back in and line up the door lock at this time. Have to lift up, push in, and push down. And then it's on. Then put in the door panel screws and you're done.